This video will show you how to create and use both the spare card and checkout card for the Opendoor door locking system. To create a spare card, you will need to open the software and log in using a username and password. Next, go to the card management on the left side and click Spare Card. Place the card on the encoder and press Issue Spare Card, then Save. Then, go to Check-in Management on the left and click Check-in. With your card still on the encoder, a pop-up window will appear to show the card information. On the pop-up window, check that the card is indeed a spare card. To create the checkout card, repeat the same steps as before. To use the spare card, you will need a blank guest card and your spare card. Go to the lot that you wish to cut a guest card for. First, present your spare card, followed by the blank guest card. The guest card will now work continually until you present the checkout card to the lock. Each time the guest card is used, it will beep twice. To use the checkout card, go to the lot that you wish to use it on. First, you'll need to present the authorization card, followed by the checkout card. This will now stop any temporary guest cards from working on this lock.